In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Teams group chat picture. Customizing your group chat image can help your team stay organized and add a touch of personality to your workspace. Whether you're part of a small project group or a larger departmental team, this is a fantastic way to add that personal touch. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already there, simply open the application on your desktop or log in through your browser by heading to the Microsoft Teams web page. Once you're in, navigate to the chat section, which you'll find on your left-hand sidebar. This bar is essentially your control center, and it's where you'll find all your ongoing conversations and group chats listed. It's important to scroll through and locate the group chat whose picture you wish to change. Click on this chat to open it. Once you have your designated group chat open, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the name of your group chat displayed along with a few icons. Look for the icon that resembles three horizontal dots, commonly referred to as More Options. Clicking on this icon will unveil a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Manage Team. In the Manage Team view, you'll notice several tabs across the top of the page, such as Members, Channels, and Settings. You're going to want to click on Settings. Within the Settings tab, you'll now look for the section labeled Team Picture. This is the crucial spot where you can modify the image associated with your group chat. Now comes the fun part: changing your group picture. You should see a button labeled Change Picture. Click on this button. A new window will pop up, giving you two options: either upload a picture from your device or search for existing images within Teams. If you already have a specific image in mind that you'd like to use, choose the Upload option and navigate through your files to find it. As a tip, ensure that the image you select portrays the right impression and fits well on the screen. Ideally, a square image works best to avoid any awkward cropping. After selecting your image, double-check to make sure that it's displayed correctly. If you're satisfied, go ahead and click the button to confirm the action. This will apply your new image to the group chat. If you're not quite happy with the look, you can always repeat this process until you find the perfect picture that captures your group's essence. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the group chat picture in Microsoft Teams. This simple customization can make a big difference in how you and your team interact within the platform, boosting both recognition and morale. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.